I got it in. It fits. Anyway, follow me. Come on. So there's three things there that make a sick modified car. I'm calling them the fundamentals of a sick car, yeah? Three things. Number one, you need exhaust. Number two, you need dem laws, yeah? Number three, you need mad wheels. Yeah, three things, fundamentals, right? Once you've got these three things, it's then officially a modified car and you can start making it crazy sick. So today, what we're going to do, we're getting started on this list and we're fitting a mad exhaust. First mod's getting done today. Just some good tip. There you go. What we've got here, we've got the Malian, this. They call it a catback. I don't think it's a catback. It's more of a back box. We're getting the first proper mod done at MX5 today. So me and Tony over here, we're gonna get it on. I can't wait. It's gonna be loud as fuck. It's gonna be sick. I'm nervous, man.
It's not bad.
Oh. That's what sounds really well.
Yeah.
When that thing comes out, it'll be so much better, but I can't get it out. We can't get it out. We tried to get it out. I want to go find some tunnels. Should we go find some tunnels? It sounds good. It's going to sound a lot better when we get that silencer out because we've tried to get it out and it does not want to move. It's so tight. It just means so tight. But when that comes out, it'll sound a lot louder. But we're going to go and hunt for some tunnels now and see what it sounds like in them. I don't know if I want to take that silencer out, you know.
It's a nice drone to it, but I think for the silencer on, I think it'll be a bit fun.
It'd be ridiculous.
Yeah, it would.
can hear that, but it sounds good.
It definitely sounds well.
Yeah.
I said the fitment as well on it. I couldn't believe
It's really fucking well, doesn't it?
it was literally just like, well, everything lines up and everything's gone in, but
200 quid. 200 quid. I'm excited for this bit.
yeah. Even sounds nice on the way back down, doesn't it? It's like it's not just all when it's the minute you're up and down.
Here we go.
Tunnel.
Going again. Sounds good, I like it. I'm going again! Yeah, I like it. I like it. I do like it. I've lost where I am now. I'm disorientated now. I don't know where I am. Yes, I like it.
I reckon that were a good purchase.
Like I say, I don't know about that silencer. If I take that out, it might be, like literally, right, we fitted the exhaust, went to the petrol station to put some fuel in, pulled up, put my fuel in, went into pay, came back out, police car behind me. How often does that happen? If I didn't have that silencer in, it would have been ridiculously loud. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if to leave it in. I might just leave it until I get bored.
Yeah.
Leave it until I get bored, take it out. It's like a new exhaust again, isn't it? I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Right, so we'll leave it at that. First mod done. The fundamentals of a sick car list has been started.
Still on the boot, by the way.
If you have enjoyed, subscribe, like, you know the deal, you know the game. And I'll see you on the next one. Shout!